You can save time by bulk editing posts using the Q editor. This is going to allow you to filter for certain posts and then apply a certain action to those posts. And it will let you know how many are included in the selection. For example, I can select only posts from a certain category, only posts scheduled to go on way out into the future, beyond a certain date, posts that include a certain social profile, or all posts. So this would be a quick way to apply some action to every post in your queue, for example. I'm just going to select ones that have the Because I Care So Much Dude Facebook page. As you can see, 17 of the posts matched that filter. Now I can apply an action. So let's see what actions I can apply. I can shuffle the order of them. I can add another social media profile to all of those posts. I can remove this social profile from the selected posts, or I can specify which I want to be removed. I can also bulk approve all of them, bulk pause them, hold them for approval, and resume them, and also remove all watermarks and delete the selected posts. So after you select what you want to do with all of these, you would just click the action button and it will apply it. It's going to ask you to confirm because this is not reversible. Every single post included that Facebook account, so now they're all gone. So be careful with this one. It's very powerful.